We'll guide you through how to install ChatGPT on your MacBook. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Safari browser or any browser of your choice and go to the official OpenAI website. Once there, navigate to the ChatGPT section. You'll find an option to download or install ChatGPT for desktop. Click on that link. This will download the ChatGPT installer package to your MacBook. After the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and double-click on the installer file. This will open the installation wizard. Follow the on-screen instructions. You might be prompted to enter your MacBook password to allow the installation. Once you do that, the installation will begin. It might take a few minutes, so be patient. After the installation is complete, you can find ChatGPT in your Applications folder. Open it up and you'll be prompted to log in. Use your OpenAI account credentials to log in. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one directly from the login screen. Once logged in, you'll have access to all the features of ChatGPT right from your desktop without needing to open a web browser. It's super convenient and handy if you're using ChatGPT frequently. And that's it, you're all set up. Now you can start a new conversation or continue your work seamlessly. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.